Axie vastness cost today as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Axie boundlessness is $11.39, and Axe is buy and buy position no. 45 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Axie boundlessness is 100,707,271 Axe, with a market cap of $1,147,027,908.45. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 6 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Axe has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 23.92%. Axie vastness has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Axe has expanded by 81.63%, adding a giant typical measure of $9.30 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Axie vastness costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Axie endlessness will be $16.80. The most extreme level that the Axe cost can reach is $20.21. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $17.28. Possible return on initial capital investment, 76.8% by Axe value conjecture for January 2023 in view of the value changes of Axie boundlessness toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Axe pace of $12.36 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $11.30 and at $12.72 individually. Likely return for capital invested, 11.3% by February 2023. Axie boundlessness value figure cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Axe cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $12.14, while the greatest could reach $13.33 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Axie endlessness may be around $12.73. Likely return for money invested, 16.6% by Axe value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Axie limitlessness in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Axe rate they foresee may be around $13.12 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $12.64 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $13.84. Likely return for money invested, 21.1% by April 2023. Axie endlessness value gauge around mid-year 2022. The Axe cost will be exchanged at $13.51 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Axie endlessness worth to $14.37. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $12.92 in April 2023. Likely return for money invested, 25.7% by Axe value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Axie boundlessness costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $13.78. The most reduced and top Axe rates may be $13.31 and $15.04. Possible return for money invested, 31.6% by June 2023. Axie limitlessness value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Axe cost will be around $14.19. In June 2023, the Axie endlessness cost might drop to at least $13.60. The normal pinnacle worth may be $15.73 in June 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 37.6% by Axe value estimate for July 2023. Having broke down Axie limitlessness cost, digital money specialists expect that the Axe rate could arrive at a limit of $16.44 in July 2023. It may be then as it may drop to $14.29 for July 2023. The anticipated normal of Axie endlessness is almost $14.76. Possible return for capital invested, 43.8% by August 2023. Axie boundlessness value estimate around mid-2022. The Axie limitlessness cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $15.05. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Axe cost could vary somewhere in the range of $14.58 and $17.03. Possible return for capital invested, 49% by Axe value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Axie limitlessness worth won't dip under at least $15.07. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $17.78. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $15.66. Possible return for money invested, 55.6% by October 2023. Axie boundlessness value conjecture digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Axie costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Axie vastness will be around $18.57, with a chance of dropping to at least $15.54. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $16.13. Possible return for money invested, 62.5% by Axie value estimate for November 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Axie vastness toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Axie pace of $16.77 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $16.30 and at $19.37 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 69.5% by December 2023. Axie vastness value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Axie cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $16.80, while the most extreme could reach $20.21 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Axie endlessness may be around $17.28. Expected return for capital invested, 76.8% by Axie vastness value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Axie boundlessness in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Axie endlessness will be around $24.16. The most extreme expected Axie cost might be around $29.14. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $24.86 in 2024. Axie endlessness value forecast 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Axie limitlessness. In 2025, Axie is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $35.94 and $41.95. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $37.18. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Axie endlessness and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Axie cost could drop to $52, while its most extreme can reach $62.45. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $53.49. Axie vastness value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Axie limitlessness by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least Axie costs are normal in 2027, $90.15 and $74.83. By and large, it will be exchanged at $76.97. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of